Scientists at Harvard University have discovered that our brain has a system called the glymphatic system, a built-in filter that only works when we are in deep sleep. It flushes out toxins, removes tiny protein fragments that can blur memory, and helps you wake up with a clear mind. The problem is that after age 50, this system slows down. The older we get, the harder it becomes to fall into deep sleep, and the harder it is for the brain to recover. So what happens then? You sleep for 8 hours, yet wake up tired, your head heavy, eyes burning, and memory just a little foggier than before. Some nights, you wake up in the middle of the night, look at the clock, 2 a.m. You try to go back to sleep, but can't. Only when dawn approaches do you finally drift off, and then wake up feeling worse than the day before. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In the United States, over 70 million adults face the same problem. But what most people don't realize is that you can reset your brain and help it sleep deeply again with one simple bedtime habit. No pills, no cost, no technology. Neurologists call it a natural reset for the central nervous system. It takes just 5 minutes, yet it can slow your heartbeat, lower stress hormones, and trigger your body's built-in deep sleep switch. It may sound like magic, but it's pure biology. And if you practice it each night, your brain learns to restore itself, just like a computer that restarts at the right moment. In today's video, I'll share with you a simple bedtime habit used by the Japanese, the Italians, and even doctors at the Mayo Clinic. It doesn't just help you fall asleep faster, it reawakens your brain's natural ability to heal itself. Picture this. You lie down, take one deep breath, and within minutes, your mind drifts into sleep, calm, effortless, like when you were 20. It may sound far-fetched, but it's real. Stay with me until the end, because I'll guide you step by step so you can try it tonight. If you've ever struggled with insomnia, mental fatigue, or waking up groggy, this video is for you. Let's explore together the simple thing you can do before bed to reset your brain and sleep like a baby. Before I walk you through the steps, imagine this. Every day, your brain works nonstop. It processes thousands of bits of information, handles emotions, stores memories, and tries to keep everything in order. But when you go to bed, it doesn't just shut off, it switches into cleanup mode. Scientists at the University of Rochester found that during deep sleep, brain cells shrink by about 60%, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow through and wash away toxins. That process only happens when the body is fully relaxed, breathing evenly, and the nervous system enters recovery mode. If you go to bed tense, curled up, or thinking about tomorrow's worries, that switch never turns on. That's why the first step in this method isn't about lying down. It's about preparing your brain for permission to rest. Step 1. Breathe correctly before sleep. It sounds simple, but your breath is the switch that tells the brain it's safe to rest. Doctors at the Mayo Clinic recommend the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Place your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat slow with each breath. As you extend your exhale, your body releases more GABA, a natural compound that quiets overactive brain activity. Just 5 breathing cycles can reduce stress signals in the brain by nearly 40%. A friend of mine, John from Florida, age 67, used to take sleeping pills almost every night. But after 2 weeks of practicing this technique, he said, for the first time in 10 years, I slept without medication and woke up feeling like my brain had been washed clean. Step 2. Turn off blue light, turn on warm light. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to light. Blue light from phones, TVs, or LED bulbs blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. So about 30 minutes before bed, shut down all screens and switch to soft yellow light or a gentle electric candle. That warm light sends a signal to your brain. It's night, it's time to rest. According to Harvard Health, older adults cut their tossing and turning time by 30% simply by changing their light before sleep. If you live alone, try adding soft background sounds, ocean waves, or gentle rain. Your body responds to slow rhythms by lowering heart rate and blood pressure, a reflex of the parasympathetic nervous system. Step 3. Relax your neck and shoulders, the sleep switch. After 50, Most tension hides in the neck and shoulders, where nerves travel directly to the brain. If this area stays tight, you'll struggle to sleep deeply, no matter how tired you are. The simplest fix: use your fingers to massage in small circles just behind your ears, where the head meets the neck. Do it for 1 minute, in sync with your breathing. You can also use a warm towel or mild heating pad. A Cleveland Clinic study found that warming the neck increases brain blood flow by 22%, activates calming nerve pathways, and helps people fall into deeper sleep 30% faster than those who did nothing. A woman from California shared, "Every night I place a warm towel behind my neck for 5 minutes. At first it was just to relax, then I noticed I was falling asleep faster and waking up so clear-headed I didn't even need coffee." Step 4. Sleep in a position that supports brain circulation. Here's a little-known tip. When you sleep on your right side, your heart works harder to pump blood. But when you lie on your left side, circulation stabilizes and cerebrospinal fluid flows more easily, helping the brain's cleansing system. That's why specialists at Johns Hopkins University recommend left side sleeping for people with insomnia. Place a small pillow between your knees to ease spinal pressure and a thin pillow under your neck so it stays aligned with your back. That's all it takes for the brain to feel safe and drift into deep sleep. Step 5. Create a nightly brain-off ritual. Just like your body needs a cool down after exercise, your brain needs a signal that says, it's time to stop. Pick one small, repeatable action at the same hour each night. Read 2 pages of a book, write 3 lines of gratitude, or simply turn off the lights and sit quietly for 1 minute. When you keep that habit, your brain learns to release melatonin the moment you begin. Think of it as hitting the shutdown button on your nervous system. Remember, you don't need perfection. No one sleeps perfectly on the first night. But if you practice these small steps nightly, just 5 to 10 minutes, your body will relearn how to restore itself. Just like rebooting an overloaded computer, your brain can restart and run clearer the next day. If you've made it this far and find this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss other tips for better sleep. Because next time, I'll reveal a special trick many Japanese and American doctors use, a grounding move that turns off stress in just 60 seconds before sleep. Now you know why some people, even in their later years, still sleep deeply, stay sharp, and wake up refreshed. They're not luckier, and they don't have better mattresses or stronger pills. They simply understand one truth: sleep doesn't happen by accident, it's invited. Each night, when you spend a few minutes breathing slowly, warming your neck, dimming the lights, and sending your brain a rest signal, you're teaching your body to trust sleep again. That's when the nervous system loosens, stress hormones drop, and the brain, your quietest companion, begins to clean, heal, and renew itself. An old man I met in Oregon once told me, "I don't try to sleep anymore. I just prepare so sleep can find me." Simple words, but a whole philosophy of life. Sometimes the harder we chase sleep, the further it runs. But when we learn to release, through breath, posture, and small rituals, the body remembers how to rest without effort. You don't have to do everything at once. Pick one thing, just one, and start tonight. Maybe turn off your phone 30 minutes earlier, or place a warm towel behind your neck before lying down. Day by day, your brain will reset its natural rhythm, and sleep will come gently, like it did when you were young. Age doesn't take away your ability to sleep well. Your body is simply waiting for you to remind it how. And when you do, everything else, memory, energy, mood, begins to return too. If this message resonated with you, please subscribe for more videos on health, brain function, and sleep for people over 50. You can comment below. Which step will you start tonight? I read every comment because every story is a real journey. Share this video with someone you care about because sometimes a good night's sleep is the greatest gift we can give. This isn't a trick nor a hack. It's a ritual to come home to yourself. Try it tonight and let your body and mind grow still, like a single drop of water touching a midnight lake. Sleep deeply and let tomorrow morning be a new beginning. Because sometimes one full night of rest can make you feel years younger.